Welcome to the homepage of the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller's Spinning in the Sunshine site. Let's explore the Spinning Transparency navigation by clicking on the top bar and selecting Vendors. This section provides spending details by vendor for the current year to date and the previous 5 fiscal years. Make a selection under the agency drop-down between the Board of County Commissioners and the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller, and then select Fiscal Year. There are a few visualizations for quick information such as total vendor count and spend, amount spent by vendor, and location. As you scroll down, the next section provides a list of the county vendors as selected in the above agency and fiscal year. Columns display financial information by vendor name, years of association, which has a max total shown of 11 years, although there may be additional years associated departments, operating categories, and current year spending. Current year spend can also be searched by entering criteria in the search field below the column heading. Search criteria operators include symbols for greater than, less than, and equals. When using these operators, type the symbol and then the value without a space between them. For example, type greater than 50,000 or less than 60,000 or equals 55,000. You can also search for a range of values using between value 1 and value 2. For example, type between 50,000 and 100,000. For a different visual, you can select List or Tile View or narrow the selection using the vendor name and alphabet range. Information may be exported by clicking on the right Export visual and selecting to export to Excel or to print. From the list view, a search under each column is available. To access additional information per vendor, click on the vendor name. A box will then appear with options for top trends, PO details, and contract details down on the left-hand side. At the top right, there is also a button for more details. This page will display additional information for the selected vendor, a different selection from the fiscal year, and vendor drop-downs. This will update the visuals which detail total expenses and a time trending chart. Hover over those charts for additional information. Applicable invoice information is available for payment details and can be expanded by clicking on the plus sign to the left of the invoice number. Data used in this video is for example only and may not reflect actual expenditures.